7-3, raising a power to a power. In this lesson, we will use the concept of repeated multiplication to understand a shortcut that can be used here. So we have x to the power of 5 raised to the power of 2. So what does this mean? This means we have x to the power of 5 times itself, x to the power of 5. We repeat the base x to the power of 5 twice. Now, we learned in the previous lesson that when multiplying two powers that have the same base, in this case x, you can add the exponents to get to your final answer. Now 5 plus 5 is the same as what? 5 times the 2, which is our shortcut. So that's why I wrote 5 times 2 here. And in both cases we get x to the power of 10. So using our shortcut, we can go straight from the original problem to our solution. So now let's use that concept. In problem 1, we have c to the power of 3 raised to the power of 5. So I'll use the expansion method first, so the repeated multiplication. This means c to the power of 3 times 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 c to the power of 3. Now, I don't think you want to sit and do this over and over every single time, which is why we know that the fast way now is, hey, that 3 is coming up a total of 5 times, so that's 3 times 5, which is c to the power of 15. So now we'll use our shortcut from here on out, since that'll be the fastest way of getting to our solution. Part B, c to the power of 5 raised to the power of 3. Fast way of doing that would be c to the power of 5 times 3. So we get c to the power of 15. Okay. Now, doing the same with a fraction, we have y to the power of 3/4 to the power of 1/3, which again, using the shortcut, means y to the power of 3/4 times 1/3. Remember, when multiplying fractions, multiply the numerator by numerator, so 3 times 1 is 3, and denominator times denominator. So that is 4 times 3, which is 12. Here you should notice that you can reduce this fraction. So what number can we divide them both by? We can divide the 3 and 12 both by a 3 to give us y to the power of 1/4. And that is our final simplified solution.